Oh, shoot. I forgot to put the door thing on so it doesn't go in the hallway. Anyway, it would come all in here. It hadn't cleaned in here yet. And there we are. It chased him yesterday. Every time he went to do it, he would try to come in here, and it would sprint around and come right after him every time. I had to give him, I think I need to give him some drops. Anyway, that's where I figured the best place to park him, as long as I'm doing that. He's scared of the vacuum, but he can get away from that. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. He's coming back from the hallway. Awesome. I really want it in here done, and I don't really care if the whole house is done, but actually the whole house had been vacuumed, and now he's finishing it. It still hasn't finished its mapping. That's why it looks a little strange. Here he comes. See, it slowed down before it hit that dog bed. It knew it was going to hit it. Right there, too. He didn't crash into the couch because he really knows where it is. He's just cleaning good around it. Now it goes back this way. It's very thorough. I don't know where it's going now.